Right, morning. So today we're doing a nice steady workout today. It's every 70 seconds times 18. So 21 minutes in total. I think it's 21 minutes. I think I've done my maths correctly there. Anyway, we're doing three major moves. We're doing shoulder press, overhead press. We're doing trap bar deadlifts, and we're going to do toes to bar as well. It's every 70 seconds, as I said, every 70 seconds times 18 rounds. So we'll get through 6 rounds of each move as we go along. So that is all. It's not a cardio one today. It's just pure strength. Let's have a look. Let's go.
Look at my neck, right? I get that check, right? I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe, off of that side. I'm in that new coupe. Got been fired. I said what I said, right? Yeah, I get that check, right? I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe, off of that side. I'm in that new coupe. Got been fired. I get that check, right? Look. Yeah, hey, I don't do no fake love. Tell Lil' bruh shape up. The way we lit, they throwing shade, but they never say nothing. I'm that maze runner. I've been known to stay stunned. I drip on Blade Runner. And the way we move, it ain't no creases on my A1s. 2021 about to be mine, word to my day ones. So you shooting blindside, I aim straight for the frame turn. I don't take no L's, my boy, I learned from y'all mistakes, huh? I just up my rate, I made my way, get out of my lane, bruh. Now we got some traction, everything been so surreal. I'm trying to get used to keeping check of how I feel. My ex is somewhat stressed, she dropped the ball, but that's a well. I just tied the knot linked to the game, she got a pill. I'm much more concerned with how my time about to be billed. Need a couple meal tickets in my pocket till the bill. Quick to flip a bill, I'm about to profit. I'm a wheel hitter with the wheel spinning, never stopping, I'm a boss. Yeah, get top in the backseat. Like a critic in the analytic, independent and we just beginning. Clearing anybody interfering. Tough loss, keep it tucked off. Something touched through the brush off. Free spirit, make a trust fall, right? Look at my neck, right? I get that check, right? I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe, off of that side. I'm in that new coupe. Got been fired. I said what I said, right? Yeah, I get that check, right? I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe, off of that side. I'm in that new coupe. Been fired. Next fashion week we touching pay, yeah that's necessary. Double G kid, she speaking French but I'm not understanding. Mom sent those flicks of my daddy that drip hereditary. Let him talk it like I ain't next, let me disprove that theory. I don't do pretend, I don't like percents. I'm not cool with friends of friends, I don't do the trends, I set them, I ain't lacking. I can't do pretend. Double rope chain necklace make her wet, she jumping out of skin. The Brody almost caught her straight from round away on split decision. We treat now like all we got is the moments we in. Always want to keep it real. Lately I can't really tell if they about the things they saying or they saying just to sell. Ain't worry about no bill. Cause when you building what we build, you know we headed where the bread is. Got the squad up going with me. Subtle flex, I need that check, so a hype beast. Last year was a hit, but now my life been moving nice.
Okay, so that was 21 minutes of pure weights, total bar, deadlifts, and overhead press. Every 70 seconds times 21. So no, times 18. I'm getting confused. Anyway, good workout, just nice, easy. I've done some boxing this morning, so that was my cardio. This is my strength session. Job done. Hope you like it. Hit that subscribe button. And yeah, see you guys next time.